Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. UP so cause notice to school over electric chair threatening to students. Uttar Pradesh Education Department has sent a so cause notice to the management of a private school in Aligarh district for allegedly intimating children with threats of electric chair and also failure to renew its permit to conduct classes. Basic Education Officer Rakesh Kumar Singh said that he had received a complaint from the parent of a student who alleged that his ward was tortured and made to sit on an electric chair as part of punishment. A parent of a child complained that their child was made to sit on a chair and was threatened. This incident was found to be false. We saw the CCTV. The child was sitting and nothing like that was done to him. The basic education official told ANI. The official said, however, CCTV footage had shown another student being beaten up. He also said that during an investigation, it was discovered that the school had failed to renew its permit to conduct classes from it. But in front of that child, another child from class 4 was being beaten up by the coordinator of the school. Named Dipti, the school does not have the permission to run classes from 1st to 8. They had permission, but it expired in 2021. A SOCOS notice has been issued. For the same, I have written to the school administration to terminate the services of the school coordinator. The official said Singh said that in his investigation he did not find any electric chairs in the school, but he said that staff at the school used to intimidate children about using electric chairs as punishment for errant children. Such threats to scare children is punishable offense under the right to education, he said. The Uttar Pradesh police have meanwhile arrested 5 people in connection with the alleged murder of a student at his school under Sapau police station in Hathras, said an official. The accused have been identified as Ramprakash Solanki, Dinesh Baghel, Jasodhan Singh alias Bhagat Ji, Lakshman Singh and Virpal Singh alias Viru. The 5 accused have been booked under Section 103 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and sent to judicial custody, said police. The FIR was registered on the basis of the statement of a man who stated that Dinesh Baghel and other accused told him that they strangled his son and killed him on September 23. As per the FIR, the child lived in the hostel of the school. According to the police, the boy was allegedly murdered on September 23 at the hostel of a private school in Hathras. Hathras Additional Superintendent of Police Ashok Kumar Singh said on 23rd September a student was murdered at the hostel of TL Public School under Sapahu PS. Sapahu PS. A case was registered under relevant sections on the basis of the statement of the complainants. Five accused, including the owner of the school, have been arrested. They have been sent to judicial custody. Police will take action by the investigating. Police take action by investigating all angles. Reacting to the incident, member of the Uttar Pradesh State Commission for Protection of Child Right Anita Agrawal said that she would recommend to the state administration to de-recognize this school. Thank you guys for watching.